The first rates will just start coming in, 73 points higher for the Nifty, and it's a good start for the Bank Nifty as well. Market breadth is looking near perfect. That I think is the most important part. Okay, now where is Reliance? Is Reliance doing all the heavy lifting again, or banks are coming back after 2 days of lull? Reliance has added another 13 rupees, which is 0.5%. You're not going to get like a 5% spike in Reliance. Banks are off to a good start. Now, in terms of the big names, I can see big movement in IRFC. I can see big movement in TV18. I can see big movement in Reliance Power. I can see big movement in Easy Trip Planner. So there is no linear move per se in terms of a large cap stock yet, which is popping up at least on my screen. Shami Hotels. I think there are deals there. Why? Because the volume and the value transaction I think is very large there. Electric buses, Electra Green is at 1700 now. Wow. And then you've got Coforge and NCC, which are giving it a lot of company. So it's a good start, and the breadth is looking once again absolutely near perfect.
Right, okay. IT, let's just revisit what TCS Infy as well are up to ahead of their numbers. Given that TCS is slated for today, that will just come off your screen. Shriram Finance, after those upgrades trickling in, I'm sure that stock is holding up smartly. Bank of India, Phoenix Mills, Senco Gold, they've all come out with exceptionally strong Q3 updates. All those stocks should be up in the green as we speak right now. There's Axis Gates Tech as well, 500 crore rupee QIP book opens today. Look at the move coming in on Senco, 10.5% higher. Axis Gates higher by 3.5% right now as we speak. Of course, like we told you, for Bank of India, the Q3 advances have seen an uptick of 4.25% sequentially. Phoenix Mills, the highest ever quarterly consumption. Retail consumption is higher by 24%. So very, very strong numbers coming in there. What is Polycab up to after the IT department releasing details of their December search operations and alleging tax evasion? 10% lower for Polycab, but because the stock is in F&O and not in a band today, maybe it could trickle down even further from here. There's Kalyani Steels as well. They're going to be looking to acquire another steel company assets for about 450 odd crore rupees. So these are a couple of stocks which are going to be in focus. Reliance, is it seeing any follow through? Let's bring up that intraday graph for you. 0.5% higher at 2665.